That's a lot of hard work. I just built this igloo for the girls. I used my recycling bin a whole bunch of times. I mean, this thing is not small. I mean, if you can see, there's my truck back there. I cheated. I used a piece of bathroom grade plywood, drywall to create the lid. I had to. It's a dirty igloo. But it's a big igloo. You can't see nothing but a hole.
Hello.
Stand up. Touch the ceiling. Nice. Show them around. Tell them about your place.
So this is a little couch, and this is a kind of broken couch, but not really. It's made out of snow. And then we have this armrest.
Here, I'm coming in. I'm coming in. I'm gonna sit on this one. Oh. All right.
And then we have the roof. He made it out of, what was it?
This is bathroom grade drywall, so it's kind of water resistant.
And then he put snow on top of it so it can be heavy.
Well, insulated.
Yeah.
So the rain don't really affect it that much. What else we got in up here? What'd you guys do to help?
Nothing really.
Nothing. You guys packed half of
packed.
You packed snow. You packed half of the foundation.
And then there's a lot of ice in it.
Okay.
I don't know why.
You guys, wow, you guys really packed the heck out of that seat, huh? You guys plopped down on it?
No, okay. When I sat
all
down,
you need is more snow.
I sat down so late. I'll be right back. I'm about to go get some stuff.
You got arms right there. Just break the arms off. All right, so that's the thing.
Wait, and this is our door. Wait, Maddie. If you want to get in. Ah! Get it in. Then,
It gets pretty dark up in here.
yeah, I like it.
And that's the beauty about it being snow. You can just do that. I like it. It's blue light.